When we treat AI like a magic wand that does our thinking for us, we don't get smarter, we get weaker. We let the machine do the heavy lifting, and our own ability to solve problems begins to atrophy. By flipping that dynamic, you turn the model into a high-speed engine for your work. Over the next 5 minutes, you are going to learn how to use AI actively to take a complex, multi-layered goal and forge it into a stress-tested execution plan. To do this, you need exactly 3 things. Open an AI tool on one side of your screen. Open a blank document on the other. Finally, pick a difficult goal you want to achieve, or a dense report you need to understand. This setup forces a shift in how you work. Moving from a passive consumer to an active user separates those who will be replaced by AI from those who multiply their capabilities. Step 1 is the problem breakdown. Broad, multi-step goals naturally cause paralysis because it's difficult to know where to begin. We have to map the ambition out into a logical sequence first. On the left side of your screen, give the AI a highly specific prompt using strong command verbs. Ask it to define your exact goal, break it down into sequential steps, and identify the required skills for each phase. The AI will scan the components of your topic and reorganize them into a structured roadmap, taking you step by step from beginner fundamentals all the way to advanced integration. Now take those core modules and copy them directly into that blank document on the right side of your screen. By laying out a clear chronological path, you reduce the friction of starting. You no longer have to guess what to do first. Step 2 is deep analysis. Take just one of those modules, or a dense document you need to learn from, and paste the text back into the AI. Instead of asking for a generic summary, ask the AI to isolate the core bottlenecks. Tell it to pinpoint the key issues and extract any hidden weaknesses buried in the material. This brings us to the learning loop. You have to treat the AI like an iterative teacher. Read the bullet points, spot the gaps in your understanding, and ask follow-up questions demanding real-world examples. Many users fail here by accepting the first answer the AI provides. Stopping the cycle early results in a fragile, surface-level understanding of the topic. When you force an ongoing dialogue, you build actual structural comprehension. You move past the appearance of knowledge and develop a tight grip on the material. Step 3 is where we stress test your strategy against real-world friction. A plan that only works on paper is useless. We're going to run an opponent simulation. Command the AI to act as a brutal critic. Ask it to look at the plan you've dealt and aggressively attack your underlying assumptions. Have it generate the absolute strongest counterarguments. Then extract those points and paste them into a dedicated failure analysis section in your working document. You also need a mandatory reality check. AI operates on probabilities, not facts, which means it will sometimes make highly confident mistakes. This is especially dangerous in domains like health, law, or finance. To protect your plan, explicitly ask the AI to cite its sources. Then leave the platform to manually cross-check the most critical facts holding your strategy together. Finding out exactly how your plan will fail before you invest time executing it gives you a decisive tactical advantage. Step 4 brings it all together. An abstract, stress-tested plan won't achieve anything unless you convert it into a daily execution rhythm. Feed your finalized document back into the AI and prompt it to compress everything you've gathered into an execution discipline system. Instruct the AI to map out linear, day-by-day actions, set clear progress checkpoints, and establish rigid accountability loops to keep you on track. Take this output and migrate the calendar directly into your saved document. You now know exactly what needs to happen today. Your document now contains a highly structured, executable roadmap where there was previously only a blank page. This level of discipline stops you from worrying about the entire project at once, forcing you to focus entirely on completing your next immediate action. In a matter of minutes, you took an intimidating idea and engineered it into a structured, stress-tested daily roadmap. AI is effective at handling repetitive tasks and organizing information, but it cannot take responsibility. The final judgment has to remain with you. Your job now is to execute the very first task on your new checklist. Stop planning, start working, and only use the AI to help you debug any errors along the way. AI acts as leverage. It amplifies your output and accelerates your progress, but the direction and ultimate outcome depend